Judiciary operationalizes 5 additional High Court circuits. The judiciary has operationalized 5 additional High Court circuits in a bid to bring legal services closer to the people. The new additions are Entebbe, Kumi, Lugatsi, Patongo, and Wakiso, bringing the total number of operational High Court circuits across the country to 29. According to the statement released by the judiciary on Thursday, this development is a major stride in the implementation of the judiciary's transformational agenda, which prioritizes, among others, taking judicial services closer to the people they serve and ensuring timely and efficient access to justice for all Ugandans. Chief Justice Alphonse Shigamoy Owiny Dollo emphasized the judiciary's commitment to increasing access to justice through the expansion of its physical presence. We have already deployed judges to the High Court circuits gazetted in 2023, Entebbe, Lugatsi, and Wakiso in Uganda, Patongo in Acholi, and Kumi in Iteso. This reflects our firm resolve to reduce the burden on existing courts and serve the public more effectively. We plan to further expand to Ibanda and Tangamo in Ankole, Moyo in West Nile, and Rakai in Uganda in the coming financial year, he said. Likewise, Acting Chief Registrar Pamela Lamunu Okaya said the registries for the new courts are fully operational and are now accepting case filings. Stay updated.